Masters of smoke here.
Lemon pepper smoked brine chicken.
Come on.
Four-pound whole chicken fryer. So what we're gonna do is make a lemon pepper brine. So John, you help me out here?
Gotcha.
We've got a 1 gallon plastic baggie.
Pour water.
We're gonna put in about a half a gallon of cold water.
It's
We're gonna
gotta
put
be
in,
cold.
it's gotta be cold. And if it's not, just throw a cup of ice in there with it. We wanna put 1 cup of lemon pepper brine,
No more.
7 ounces,
That's
8
okay.
ounces. And then you want to mix that up. Basically, we're just creating a nice little brine. Place the chicken into the bag. Completely submerge the chicken. Close it up. Now, it's very, very important that you put this in a pan. These little bags, if they leak, you don't want to contaminate the inside of your refrigerator. I got it started.
Good.
Bam. Do not have it started.
I had it started.
Yeah, I got it started. Take the air out. And then just give it a nice little poke to make sure. And I always put the breast side down. Okay? In that pan.
So breast side down because that's the meatier part.
The meatier part. We're gonna toss this in the refrigerator overnight for that lemon pepper brine.
And just FYI, make sure the zipper part is tucked
in.
because if it were to bust, if it's hanging out, it's still gonna leak. So make sure those are tucked.
Awesome.
Boom.
Okay.
So toss it overnight.
So here's a nice little pro tip. The reason you put your bag brine in the pan is because it did leak a little, did not contaminate our refrigerator. Very, very important.
Cool. So we're gonna put in our sink and drain.
Yep.
Come on, do it.
You'll notice with the chicken, you'll get some of that clumping up. You just want to give it a quick little rinse. You'll notice that brine has changed the color of that chicken. You don't have to wash much off. Chicken is out of the brine, washed. We're gonna flip it over, season the backside of this chicken. Extra seasoning gives it a nice presentation and it'll not give it a nice, good lemon pepper taste on the outside.
Some into the cavity there.
Definitely get some on the inside of the cavity.
Okay. Sorry.
Go to the outside of this thing.
Yellow jaundice.
I got you, don't I? Lemon pepper brine chicken. Smoked 4 hours, 225 degrees, and she is perfect. Chicken is all ready to carve. Come on in.
So you pull the leg first?
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna pull that off.
Dang, man.
Goes right there. Pull that wing off. It goes right there. And I'm gonna go right down the center of this breast, right on that breastbone. Ooh-wee.
Come on. Today, all about chicken.